I'm humming the same song every day. Automating the release of new versions to the server. All right, let's go. This looks good. All right, so where I a matrix strategy? What's that? Repository variables. Workflow level, not in env. What are the difference between these? I don't think this page works. He can access it like this. Can I send in environment variables here? That should work, right? Can I send in envars when I set up a container like here? Okay, let's set the vars on. Is it on environments? Variables. Good old version. Can I access that now? I mean, he's not using that here, but let's see if that works. Use vars. Should probably open this up. God morgon, RBN. What's up? How are you? Let's kill this one. I should probably just comment this out for now, honestly. I don't know if you saw the progress, but you can actually play the game now on itch.io and connect to my server. Pretty happy about the progress, actually. Slow morning, but good weather. That's nice. Code dot. Now I'm just fighting with GitHub Actions to automate the release. Then I should get up some speed. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, so you can find it at, I can show you. I mean, it's obviously just it's not even a demo. It's like a prototype, but itch.io. I misspelled the URL, but here it is. So it's this URL. And then the password is test. And so you just run it. It's gonna load it. It's like 100 megabytes big or something. That's something I'm gonna try to fix as well to make it smaller, because like there's no content and it's huge. You get a character name, join it. And this is on the server. So like if you would join now, we would see each other. Yeah, like that. And you can like click on me to attack me, for example. And you see down in the left corner, you have some XP. That's something I'm gonna work on as well. But yeah, so this connects to my Raspberry Pi server over the internet. So I'm really happy about that, like actually making this work. And now I just want to automate the release. So like whenever I make a release tag in Git, already I've done it so that that's going to be pushed to itch. So the new version just gets pushed here. I also want to make it so the new version gets pushed to the server. Thank you, man. Gets pushed to the server. And then I can start cooking and like add features, just cut a new release. It gets automatically pushed. I can start adding new prototypes and stuff. New features like leveling, whatever feels interesting to add. Yeah. GitHub Actions extension. The two dead goblins. Yeah, they've been killed already. They're usually alive from the start, but I haven't implemented respawn logic. That's something I want to add. And you see, sometimes, yeah, the server is like, it doesn't really get you where it wants. And I can lag you like this. If you try to attack me, I just dodge it. Super cool. Thank you. And you see now when you left, the character disappears. So it like logs you out and removes your character properly. Yeah, that's where it is at the moment. So at least it proves that this works. Now I just need to refine, add some more cool features and stuff, make it more interesting. I mean, maybe I just hard code it. The version. Wait, what's that? rsync. That shouldn't be there. Okay, let me remove. Oh no, that's not mine. The first stream I joined, I remember you were cluelessly looking to implement netcode. I'm very impressed. You're one of those people who set a goal and really commit and do it. Thank you. Assuming you have little to no experience with game development. Yeah, very, very limited. I tried to build something like a year ago, and eventually I gave up on that. But that was also like a good learning experience. But yeah, my experience is very limited. But it's really fun. It's very good learning. Like I learn a lot. It's really fun. Like once, like this feeling of like figuring something out. It's like these aha moments of like networking, for example. It's like, oh my god, this is actually working. You can like serialize, and then deserialize the state across the client, and it actually like works. It's like magic. So cool. That feeling is great. Eureka moments, exactly. Yeah. What's your experience? Do you have experience with game development? Let me also remove or comment out export web. How do I comment a line like that? Okay, good. Comment out the web export. Very limited as well. In specific areas, netcode primarily. Used to work on a community FPS project way back when Quake 3 clone. My work is primarily in reverse engineering and compiler design. Currently studying at uni in Umeå. Nice. Nice, that's cool. Yeah, that's really cool. I've been to Umeå once. It's very nice there. It's very far north. I was there in the summer, so the weather was great and the days were extremely long, which I guess they are already. What's up, Brandon? Doing good, doing good. How are you, man? Oh, need to. These are not synced. Git pull. Where did this come from? Server preset. Complete merge. Doing well. Been a minute since I caught your stream. Yeah, I have been away for a while. I was away this weekend. And I haven't been playing that much RuneScape lately either. Yeah, kind of a vacation. Or yeah, I went home to my hometown. Stayed there for the weekend. How's RuneScape going? I should have taken the other branch. This is becoming a mess. Args. Let's make this into a one-liner. Yeah, it's not my, or like the hometown. It's like where I used to live for a few years. It's not literally my hometown actually. So I didn't see my family, but my friends live there. One of my hometowns. Make args a one-liner. Rooney is going well. Pickle Ricks is still growing strong. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm happy about that. Such a good group of people. Yeah, it was really good. It was really good. Let's do this, make this bars. Status bad. No. Git restore. There are these remnants. I don't know where these files came from. Staged star.res git status. I tried in RuneScape to run a few Guardians of the Rift, but I don't get any credit on our event. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not. I also didn't get any rewards, so maybe I'm just not getting enough points or something. Bars instead of env. Wait, is this wrong? I mean, okay. Should there only be one like that? Just remove the files. Git add, git commit. Fix bars. This is more hairy than I expected. I expected this would be a bit easier, but this is gonna make this workflow a lot more efficient. If you aren't getting any points, then you're also not getting the credits for the kill, which is how we are tracking. We could send a small team, Gotter with the clan, and you'll definitely get plenty of points. Yeah. Okay, I give up. I will just hardcode it now. Project path. It's nothing. Server export preset name. And then server export name. All right, no variables to worry about here. Hardcode vars for now. Yeah, I've seen you've been streaming as well a bit. I've just been... It's very early morning for me, so I've been missing most of them. Unfortunately. Okay, now it pulls this, good. And then the idea is that this is going to run on my server. Let's see. So it's gonna pull that. Wait, now this is very confusing. I'm both running this as in a container, and then I'm also doing this uses Docker. No, that's not good. I think I messed it up. Yeah. Wait, can I put in envs like that? Maybe this is how I should do the envs. Let's remove... I don't need to do uses here at least. GitHub.workspace. Going live with the lads when you get to the final boss of Inferno. Still struggling on the hardcore with your budget setup. What's your budget setup? You mean like you don't have enough stuff for the fight? It makes it harder because your the budget is limited. Here I can put volumes as it was up there, I guess. Volumes. Why is a sequence not expected? Mapping was not expected. What? Oh wait, need these. This is hard. The gear I'm using is decent, but using a crossbow instead of some of the stronger weapons people typically use, so it's much more challenging. Makes sense, yeah. I'm sure you can do it. That's why you play hardcore, right? For the challenge. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Let's go to our friend Gemini. What's up, Adityan? The learning curve of Godot, it's pretty good. I like it. Depends on what experience you have with like game development and programming overall. Like if you're new to all of it, it's gonna be quite tough initially, for sure. But I would say Godot is great. It's very user friendly. There's a lot of documentation. Yeah. And it's just getting better in my experience. This is how you use a multi-line string, okay. So attempting to mount the hosts. Yeah, talk soon, man. Take care, Brandon. You've seen your friend making apps with Godot in minutes. I mean, yeah, you can. You should try it. For sure. Commented out the volume section as a default mount should suffice. If you intended to use workspace, blah, blah, blah. Okay, can you... Where is the file? Did it make anything? Okay, can you... Can you give me the code? Or maybe it did. I'm just blind. Ah. Unexpected value. Why? Try with Gemini version. I think Gemini feels better than Claude for sure on this. That did still not work. I'm getting mapping was not expected here. By the way, this is the full file. Like this is the rest of the file. So random, like which things take a long time to do. Like getting this thing to work takes a lot longer than I expected, but like certain game features sometimes go really fast. It's very hard to predict. Environment variables for the container are typically inherited from the steps own and block. Git status, git add, git commits, new Gemini version. On this line, I get the GitHub Actions workflow is trying to use env. Syntax isn't supported in the context. Works in many places like run commands or if conditions. Its substitution in the uses string can sometimes be problematic. You can use an output from a previous step. Really? That would be interesting. Sounds like an interesting suggestion. Reject this one. I get unrecognized named value there too. But here it seems to work though. Yeah, can this one, is this one okay? Yeah, so it is something with the uses step. Everything else looks okay. Git commit, hard code the Docker image version. And then I just need to move this to the right place on the server if this works. Build a Docker image. Kill the running Docker. And then start a new one. Restart the server, basically. I can't run this. Need ARM. All right. That's progress at least. That's good. Not ARM. Need ARM support. Probably possible to find something in Docker Hub. Cool. All right. I gotta stop. But yeah, happy to be back streaming and doing some progress here. I'm sure this will be resolved pretty soon. And once it is, that's going to be a big win. So looking forward to that. Take care and see you next time. Most weekdays, most days, I'll be live. Take care. Have a good one.